Hello student, welcome to DAV Moil Public School Sita Saungi e-learning class standard first mathematics. I am mathematics teacher Yogesh sir. Dear student, today we will learn in mathematics a topic. First of all, before start topic, you have to see the picture. First number is this is the picture. This picture is known as weight machine. Another picture you can see, which is also to use our weight or simply called as weight machine. Third number picture, which is used also for weight machine. That means today we have to discuss about weight. That today's topic is eight. Today's topic is weight. The student, see the picture. Here, 8 pictures are given. In every picture, having two other objects are given. Question is, feel the weight of the following object and write heavier or lighter. Dear student, you have to does not necessary to weight of an object. Just feel. That means you have to assume which is heavier or lighter. Heavier or lighter. Heavy means heavy weight and lighter means lightweight. See, in first picture, which is a picture of pumpkin and apple. Pumpkin and apple. Do you know pumpkin which is in big in size and apple which is in small in size? Also, the pumpkin which is heavier. Pumpkin is a heavier and apple which is lighter. Apple which is lighter. See another picture. In another picture, pin and a nail. Pin and nail. Pin which is lighter and nail which is heavier. Nail which is heavier and pin which is lighter or light in weight. Third number picture, having two again pictures. First is the plate and next is the table. You can know the plate which is light in weight, that is the lighter, and table which is heavy, that is the heavier in weight. Fourth number picture, which having two pictures. First is the dolphin, very big fish. Dolphin is the very big fish and another fish which is in small. That means dolphin or this picture which is heavier and small fish which is in light in weight, that is called as the lighter or light in weight. Now, in a fifth number picture, two pictures. First is the feather and another is a tree. Do you know feather? Feather which is very light in weight, that means lighter. And a tree which is heavy, we cannot push or pull, that means heavier. Tree is a heavier and feather is a lighter. Fifth number picture, a sixth number picture which is picture of book and football. Book and football. Book is light in weight, that is lighter, and football which is heavy in weight, that is heavier. And seventh number picture which is a bicycle and a van. Bicycle and van. Do you like bicycles? Bicycles which is light in weight. Bicycle which is light in weight, that is lighter, and van which is heavy in weight, that means we cannot push the van, therefore van which is heavy in weight or heavier. Last picture which is a cup and a balloon. Cup and balloon. Cup which is heavier. Cup is heavier as compared to balloon. That means cup is heavier and balloon which is lighter. Understood, student? To indicate which are heavier and lighter. Heavy means heavy weight which cannot easily pull or push, and lighter, that means which can be easily pick up or which can be pushed very easily, that is lighter. See, in next picture, again four pictures are given. In every picture two similar objects are given. First is a glass and another is a jug. Jug which is light heavier. Jug is the heavier. Jug contains large amount of water, that means heavier. Next picture, a plant and a wool. Plant which is heavier and wool which is lighter. And third number picture, you can like it, that is the birthday cake and a chocolate. Birthday cake which is heavy in weight and chocolate which is lighter. And the next picture which is having a flower and a jar. Flower and a jar, where jar is a heavier and flower is a lighter. Next picture which is shown as to indicate lighter ones. Lighter means which is light in weight. First number, science book and a pencil. Pencil which is lighter. Pencil which is lighter. Next picture, cat and ice cream. Cat is heavier and ice cream which is lighter. Next picture, kite and ball. Kite and ball. Here where is kite or balloon, light, kite or ball, lighter or heavier? Kite versus light in weight which is easily pick up, that means lighter in weight. And last picture which is scissor and balloon. Scissor and balloon. Scissor which is heavier, that means balloon is the lighter. In this way you have to indicate lighter and heavier in your maths copy. Yes student, this is your assignment. Note down the assignment in maths copy. Indicate which is heavier or lighter and share the assignment in a group. Thank you student and have a nice day.